Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to class. So today we're going to learn about telephoning. Okay? So, telephoning. So what we're going to learn today is how to make a call, how to receive a call, how to take and leave a message, and then afterwards I'm going to teach you how to end the call. So I'm going to start with simple vocabularies of calls. So first let's talk about the phone. There are different types of phones. One, cell phone. Cell phone is also a mobile phone. A cell phone is also a mobile phone. And also nowadays it's called a smartphone. So mobile phone, cell phone and a smartphone, they're the same thing. Second, we have the phones at home or at work, which we call landline. Landline. We also have some phones which we keep at work and we call them code line. Code. C-O-R-D. Code. It doesn't have a code. It's not connected to a cord, so we call it codeless phone. Remember when I talked about a landline? We also have public phones. Okay, public phones or pay phones. So they're called payphones simply because you have to pay before you make a call, okay? So those are types of phones that we have nowadays. Anyway, I'm thinking maybe you know that, so we are going to quickly continue with some of the conversations that you can have when you're making a call. So one, when you're making a call, you have to dial a number. Dial a number. Dialing is simply when you're making the dialing is like putting the numbers on your phone and then you call. That is dialing a number when you're calling someone. And when you call that person and they're available, they pick up the phone. They pick up of the phone. So one, dialing a number. This is the act of calling. And then we have picking up, pick up. So pick up is a phrasal verb which means receiving or taking a call. After the person from the other end will pick up and answer. You can also say answer the phone. So pick up is like answering the phone. It's the same meaning. It's just a better vocabulary. Okay? So if nobody is there, you will leave a message to an answering machine. If nobody is there, you will leave a message to an answering machine, or a voicemail. So you leave this after you feel the beeping of the phone. So if that person is not there and they cannot pick up the phone or answer the phone, you leave a message on an answering machine. And after that, they can call you back. They can call back. They can call you back or return the call. Or return the call, sorry. Or they can return the call. So, when you call a person and they receive and you cannot either hear them very well, it is called a busy signal. So if you hear a beeping sound like ting ting ting, that means that person has a busy signal and you cannot connect to them. Okay? That's a busy signal. Now, if you call a company and they have busy lines, so for a company you say a busy line or a busy signal, that means they will put you on hold. They're going to put you on hold. So on hold mean, you know, when you call a phone and on the other side they tell you you have to wait for the other person to receive and they put some music, that means that you're on hold. Okay? So after you finish talking to that person and you conclude what you wanted to say, or you conclude leaving the answer on the answering machine, the message on the answering machine, then you hang up. You hang up. So we have learned some of the vocabularies that I used when you're making the phone calls. So we're going to go straight to beginning of a call. So since now you know some of the vocabularies, I want you to remember them very well because they're going to be very useful